Identify the graph of the solution for the system of inequalities shown below. So the two system of equations with inequalities has been shown and they are asking us to recognize the graph for those. Now to recognize the graph, so I should know how to roughly sketch those graphs. So while sketching the graph, it's better to convert this standard equation of inequality into slope-intercept form, which is in the form of y is equals to mx plus b, where m represents the slope and b represents y-intercept. How do we do that? Take this x to the other side, then this equation becomes y is less than or equal to negative x positive 6, which is same as negative 1 x positive 6. So that shows slope is -1 and y-intercept is plus 6. Similarly, rearrange this equation by taking x to the other way around, then it's going to be 2y less than or equal to negative x positive 8, as we have to make only y alone, so divide by 2 to each term in that entire expression, then it becomes y is less than or equal to negative half x positive 4. So what I'm getting, slope here is negative half and y-intercept is positive 4. So you can see that the both the equation what we got has a negative slope, and the graph of the line, when you sketch, the slope negative will be like falling from left to right. So one of the line we have slope y-intercept as positive 6, then definitely this will be the one of the line here. I can say this is the point where I'm talking about the first equations, like, so y-intercept is positive 6 and the graph has to be shaded below that region, and there is another line whose y-intercept is positive 4. So positive 4 is the, let me just make a roughly here, and the line would be something like this. So again the graph of this line will be below because y is less than or equal to. Now what is the solution to the graph of inequality? The common region of the graph where they are overlapping. So this is the region for which the graph should have a solution. And importantly, what another thing I observe, one of the line has y-intercept as positive 6, another line has y-intercept as positive 4. Now look at to the options what has given. Definitely choice A is not the choice because those both line are representing positive slopes, and option B could be, but here one of the lines showing y-intercept as positive 6 but another saying positive 8, which is wrong. Option C is also wrong, then definitely choice D is the right answer. You can see that the y-intercept for the line, one is going to be positive 6 and another point here is going to be positive 4. That shows that this is the right choice for the inequality shown.